To send money from Japan to Dubai, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, determine the amount you want to send and the currency you want to use. The Japanese yen is the official currency of Japan, while the United Arab Emirates dirham is the official currency of Dubai. Next, choose a money transfer method. There are several options available, including banks, online money transfer services, and currency exchange offices. Each method has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times. Banks are a traditional option, but they often have higher fees and less competitive exchange rates. Online money transfer services, such as TransferWise and PayPal, are often faster and cheaper. Currency exchange offices are another option, but their fees and exchange rates can vary. Once you have chosen a method, gather the necessary information. This includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account information. If you are using a bank, you will need the recipient's bank name, branch name, and account number. If you are using an online money transfer service, you will need the recipient's email address or phone number. Now, initiate the transfer. If you are using a bank, go to the bank's website or visit a branch in person. If you are using an online money transfer service, go to the service's website or mobile app. Enter the amount you want to send, the recipient's information, and your payment method. Review the transfer details, including the fees, exchange rate, and transfer time. After initiating the transfer, track the transfer status. Most banks and online money transfer services provide a tracking number or update you by email or text message. This allows you to see when the transfer is complete and the recipient has received the funds. Finally, consider the fees and exchange rates. Fees can vary depending on the method you choose, and exchange rates can fluctuate. Look for a method that offers competitive fees and exchange rates to get the best value for your money. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits or restrictions that may apply. By following these steps, you can send money from Japan to Dubai quickly and securely. Be sure to research and compare different methods to find the one that best meets your needs.